I think one of your last hits you might have got out of Main Street would have been Moschino and Versace.
Yeah, yeah.
How do you come up with that there now?
Yeah. That honestly, I think that song.
Mhm.
That song was written for Dave Kelly. Yes, it was written for Dave Kelly. Baby Cham was the one who was responsible for that song. Yeah, I went to Baby Cham called me and said, "G, want to put a rhythm here," and Dave Kelly, not Dave Kelly, Baby Cham
Mhm.
came up with the song, and Dave Kelly just didn't voice me. He just didn't voice me. So I went and did it for Danny Brownie. Yeah.
No idea. This is why
Right?
I like to have these conversations because
Yes.
these stuff
Yes.
matters. It just really goes to show
Yes.
your journey in the
Yes.
business that it's never straight. It's always bend and
Yeah,
lean and
man.
stuff. But
No
that's
perfect.
a
No
joy.
perfect. No perfect.
Mhm.
No perfection in this thing here. You
Did
know?
you were you traveling with Main Street also?
Yes, yes. We did a tour. I remember we did a tour. Myself, Chrissy D, Red Rats. Oh, me forget
Hmm.
Red Rats.
Hmm.
Red Rats. And who else was on the tour? Archive was on it too. Yeah, yeah. We did a America. We did the USA tour. We did a USA tour. Yeah, which was a sell off.
Do you
And I
remember?
remember the first time we went to as a group, as a
Mhm.
crew, we went to Costa Rica because Red Rat
Mm.
was huge, and
Mhm.
the whole Main Street crew was huge in Costa Rica. It was just Main Street crew in concert.
Mhm.
Yeah, and I'm telling you, it was a big crowd. It was a bash, big, 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 big. That's all we know that like the Main Street crew was so effective. You
Okay.
know what I mean? Yeah.
Because you guys were different. You guys weren't really doing too much hardcore dance. It was hardcore dancehall rhythms, but the songs were a little
Yes,
bit more light. They were
yes,
almost like
yes,
comedy-ish per se.
yes. Yeah, while you have at the time you had Dave Kelly with the
Mhm.
hardcore and Main Street was just making family music. I would call
Mhm.
it family music because it could
Yes.
play in any household, was accepted in any household, which was good.
Mhm.
And that's what I'm for.
Sure.
Me love music where it can entertain everybody.
Mhm.
You know,
I
yeah,
get it. Another big moment that you had over at Main Street would have been
yes.
when you were performing in Third World Cup. All
Oh
right.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Man, a bad man.
Man, a
How
bad
did
man.
that
Yeah.
situation? Yes, how did that situation come up in the first place?
Really, well, Danny Brownie was the one who really do all the business aspect part of it.
Hmm.
And I was supposed to do a little acting thing in that too, because I did my audition, for it,
Okay.
but when we went to Costa Rica, I think something with the flight thing got messed up and I
Mhm.
didn't come back on time. So I only, get to do the performance. I only got
Mhm.
to do the performance part with the song. Well, that song now, I think the whole inspiration came from Silver Cat. Silver
Okay.
Cat used to always, when he go on stage, he used to always say, "Man, a bad man." Yeah, that was his thing. Yeah, he used to
Mhm.
say, "Man, a bad man." And then the brother say, "You know, I want wicked style, that,
Mhm.
you know? And me, already always I try soften the bad man them already." So
Mhm.
I was the perfect person, you know what I mean? To do that song. And then, the whole Main Street family thing. Archive, Danny Brown, because to Archive have that, aggressive voice.
Mhm.
He use Archive to say, "Man, a bad man." You know what I mean? Yeah. Bad
Mhm.
man for you, but you're bad when you don't have a clue. You must have stick it in your head. Them argument they want retread. Yeah, man.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com.